It's a big deal here because we started to see a lot of the uproar about Sora when Sora started making these videos where they were using licensed characters and licensed content in them. Now Disney has struck this deal. It's a $1 billion equity investment in OpenAI. And as a part of that 3-year deal, Sora and ChatGPT will get access to Disney's copyrighted characters. Some of those characters are big characters like Mickey Mouse, Ariel from Little Mermaid, Cinderella, so some of their biggest names. They're making this $1 billion equity investment. It will allow their users to use them in both visuals but also in video content that they make on Sora. OpenAI launched Sora back in September, and it makes short videos simply by selecting a prompt. That's how that one works. Now, as a part of this 3-year agreement, they'll be able to make content with more than 200 different characters that are from Disney's universe across Disney, Marvel, Pixar, and Star Wars. This all starting next year, so in 2026. Now, Bob Iger says, quote, "The rapid advancement of artificial intelligence marks an important moment for our industry. And through this collaboration with OpenAI, we will thoughtfully and responsibly extend the reach of our storytelling through generative AI while respecting and protecting creators and their works." As a part of the agreement, Disney will also receive warrants to purchase additional equity and will become a major OpenAI customer. So this is a potentially huge deal. There's also a twist to this story. Just ahead of this announcement of this deal with OpenAI and Disney, Disney sent a cease and desist letter to Google claiming that its AI training models and its services infringe on its copyrights on what they call, quote, a massive scale. The letter was sent just before, and it said, quote, "Google is intentionally amplifying the scope of its infringement by making its infringing AI services available across so many channels to so many consumers, flooding the market with infringing works and reaping enormous profits and other value from its unlawful, harmful, and damaging exploitation of Disney's copyrighted works." Disney claims that Google has refused to implement any sort of technological measures to mitigate or prevent any copyright infringement on their characters, even though they say that such measures are readily available and are being used by Google's competitors, they added. They said they've been trying to engage with Google for months about this issue, but the tech giant has, quote, in their opinion, done nothing, and that the use of its copyrighted works has only increased during that period. Now, Disney also has sent similar letters previously, not just right in the wake of this announcement, to Meta and Character AI, and is in litigation with NBC Universal and Warner Brothers Discovery against Midjourney and Minimax for the same issues. So very interesting timing of that letter, and lawsuits fighting the AI usage of its copyrighted materials all alongside now the legal use of its copyrighted characters.